If you're looking for a way to hedge against inflation and protect your retirement portfolio, gold could be exactly what you need. With the economy constantly changing, inflation is a serious concern, especially for retirees who need their wealth to last. But here's the thing, many investors overlook the power of gold as a hedge, and you might be missing out on a key strategy to preserve your wealth. Gold has been used as a store of value for centuries, and unlike traditional assets like stocks and bonds, it tends to maintain its value or even increase when inflation rises. This makes it a powerful tool for protecting your retirement savings, especially when traditional investments lose ground. But what makes gold a more reliable option compared to other assets like real estate or stocks? When inflation increases, the value of the dollar decreases, and that means your purchasing power is reduced. While stocks and bonds can be unpredictable during these times, gold tends to hold steady or even grow, offering you a safe haven. This is why many Americans are turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth. If you're serious about securing your retirement against inflation in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth. This free guide will give you the details on how to get started, especially if you're someone with at least $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings. Now, why is a gold IRA the best way to go about this? First, it allows you to own physical gold in your retirement account, offering a level of control and flexibility that stocks or mutual funds simply can't provide. This means you can protect your assets in a tangible form, which gives you more peace of mind. Some people consider other options to hedge against inflation, like real estate or even cryptocurrency. While real estate can be a solid investment, it comes with high entry costs, maintenance expenses, and the possibility of market volatility. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are incredibly volatile and still lack the proven track record of gold. Gold, however, has been a trusted store of value for thousands of years and offers stability when you need it most. The beauty of gold IRAs is that they combine the benefits of gold with the tax advantages of a retirement account. This makes them a great choice for those who want to grow their wealth and protect it from inflation at the same time. By moving a portion of your IRA or 401k into gold, you're safeguarding your money in a way that aligns with your long-term retirement goals. If you're ready to take control of your retirement and protect your wealth from inflation, this is the right time to act. Don't wait until inflation has already eaten into your savings. Gold IRAs provide a safe, tangible asset that can help you weather economic uncertainty. And the best part? You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. With the right guidance, you can easily set up a gold IRA and start protecting your assets today. Again, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the link in the description to get your free guide on gold IRAs. This is perfect for American retirees with 100K plus in an IRA or 401k, or even if you have 5 NEMI plus in savings. Don't let inflation eat away at your hard-earned wealth. Start securing it with gold today. Make sure you take action now before inflation erodes even more of your savings. Gold is your shield, and a gold IRA is the best way to integrate it into your retirement strategy.